And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. We have made it to get the windshield replaced. So once again, this is the third windshield in 6 months. Third windshield in 6 months. But shout out to Staga. It was an overnight delivery. They got us on the hood. You guys know, like I said, they got us on an overnight hood. This was all the way from California. We're in Texas right now. So you know, Staga comes through, man. It wasn't a hood that they could actually sell because it had a little bit of imperfections, like here. Let me show you, like right there, a little bit of imperfections, a little bit of imperfections there. They had a little bit of like some blotchingness on the thing. But he goes, look, man, I'll give you a deal. You go race with Demonology, Dunk Master, and all them, and you create the video, and we'll send you an overnight hood. And I said, really? And he goes, yeah, at a discounted rate because this one's messed up. So this one got in this morning. So this is my second Demon carbon fiber hood. The first one was fiberglass. Second one is carbon fiber, and then I had a third carbon fiber one. So shout out to Staga for always coming through with the hoods. You guys know it doesn't like to stay on, and that represents for that. So until we make a video going viral on TikTok, I'm gonna have Texie smash the windshield. So stay tuned, guys. We're coming with it. You'll see it right here, right now. Until next time, keep your eyes peeled, and I'm out. What are you doing? No, Texie, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
What are you doing?
Baby, we got the big showdown we gotta go to tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and Demonology, baby? Oh, I'm coming.
Wait, I want to race. No. What are you doing? What are you doing?
And I'll see you there at the big showdown.
Action what? Action. We're at Summit. That's where action is. Retail store right here.
All right, y'all. You know what it is.
People have black marks all over the parking lot.
That's probably why they put the yellow things. Honey, we're home.
I'm coming here.
I feel like I have too. Have we been here?
No. Never in my life have I been here. I've always wanted to be here. Now I'm here. This is like Bass Pro Shop for racers.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it.
Let's go. Nothing. No. If you don't get it, then
Bear cap.
no. The sody.
Oh, Sodi's all over the car. Oh, yeah, you got my car. Look at that shit.
Oh, I thought there was supposed to be a door right there. This way. It's like a Lowe's, guys. How's that race quit?
Ready for it? I got race equipment.
Don't forget your hood pins.
I already got them already.
Are these people's orders or are these just parts they have?
Yes and no. Now they're trying to tell me to replace them once I'm out this game. Appreciate it, man. Yes, sir. Thank you. You too.
What's going on? My boss
I can't get it to run. I'm trying, but I physically cannot get it to run.
Did it turn off on its own?
I turned it off. They told me to turn it off. It won't start, so I can explain why. I think either it's the button's bad or the remote's bad. So I got rid of my kill. I destroyed my kill and I hotwired it. So I hotwired the push button start. Once I hotwired the push button start, I have it to where I have the power. But then see, it just shut off again, and now it won't shut back. Now it won't turn back on. I've tried turning it on several times. It just keeps dying.
Put the kill switch back on it.
It's not the kill switch.
And I was just saying if it was turning on before with the kill switch, then
See,
maybe
there's
it
power,
turned on.
and then there's no power. And I don't know why. I have the remote. This has never happened to me. This is never, I've always started this thing right off the first push button start.
The only thing that's ever been an issue with the starter on this thing is the jump start, and you gotta just jump start it with the battery. Because we got so many lights. We leave them on for too long. Can you remote start it? Turns off. Something's running.
Yes!
Leave that bitch on.
My stomach hurts, dude. My stomach hurts. I'll tell you, I was swallowing my stomach.
Just pulled apart the entire radio to get that.
There's a loose wire in this. Look how it's not flashing. But then when I go to push it in, it starts flashing.
As soon as you did that, I heard the car sound different.
Like there's a, like, is the button or
The button's faulty. We need to get you a new one. Probably.
I get to finally use my race cooler. So I got my shift lights here. So I can throw it in and I can see my shift lights are on. So I can actually see the light shifting on it. So I have all my shifts at 6,000. Race cool down. I can't do it because the engine's on. But I can do chiller. And I can chill my supercharger. Here, I just went quiet.
Yep.
So I can chill my supercharger.
Good. All right, boss. I'm gonna go get to the starting line. They're letting me record right now.